Live action!
Live action! What?
A 70% chance of rain. In rain. Look too hard. Oh my god, there's lightning! I'm ditching.
It's gotten really bad. Really bad. Quick, it's a tornado. My calves are really wet. Are we good?
The tornado hit about 5 seconds ago. We gotta go check for survivors. Let's go. I found survivors. Tell me, what was
That was great. I love it. I did so great doing it. No, take a picture.
Live action!
Come with me. We'll go figure out peers what they thought about the tornado. Live action! Oh my god, I'm seeing it. We're here live at Bonner Springs High School. As you can see, the rain is still falling down, but we are now in post-tornado. Most of the city has been destroyed. All right, back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Jimmy. Right now, the casualties are in the tens.
He's filming the news.
Well, the casualties are up to the tens and all. The injuries we don't know. But right now, we're in the process of buying a Bonner Springs flagpole for the Orange Crush. And that's the big news. Also,
Live action!
TMZ! We got you on camera! What are you climbing up there for? What are you guys coming up? Oh.
is there drugs up there?
Yeah.
There might be a drug bust in Bonner. There might be a drug bust in Bonner.
I'm in it.
Michaela Pinnett reporting for TMZ News. Out.
My fellow Americans, what a terrible tragedy this has been.
No!
You suck! I know many of you will suffer from this terrible day, but you should live on, knowing that you're not the smartest, you're not the prettiest, you're definitely not the most athletic.
Live action!